Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the average value. So now I will show you how to answer. To find about the average value, the formula of this one should be like this. So we will have about 1 over b minus a, and we have the integration from a to b, and we have the function we put in here, ds. So b, that's about number 1, a, that's about number 0. The function, that's about this one. Now we need to calculate about this one. 1 divided by 1 minus 0, you got about 1. So we just simplify like this. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n ds. We have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And we put about c. Now, for this one, we have 7s to the power of 6 over 6 minus 4s squared over 2. Because this is about number 5. 5 plus 1, you got about 6. This one you got about number 1. 1 plus 1, you got about number 2. And now we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 1 in here. Number 0 in here. So we calculate about this one, and we got negative number 5 over 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.